So guys, here I am inside the car. So I'll be replacing this. I will be replacing the factory fitted radio with Tesla Auto Carplay. So I can. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel once again. In today's video, I just want to unbox one of item I picked up from AliExpress. So the name of this product is a Tesla Android Auto and the CarPlay. Here it is. So without further delay, let's go down to the business. Without further delay, let's go straight to the point. Let me show you this wonderful Tesla Android Auto. Yeah. Okay, guys, here is the package. Let's go ahead and open it up. So wow, this is a carrying bag. Make your car smarter. Okay, let's put it aside. Here's the manual. Then here is the, what is it called, warranty manual. Yeah? Wow, I get this one as a gift. So what is this? Okay, I shall open it up. Okay. I guess this is the head unit itself. Wow. Okay, with the copper wire. I guess this is I'm sure it's the cable for the camera. Wow. Here is the unit. 10.0 inch. Okay. Let's see all the accessories. Here are the connecting cables. Okay, now here are the cables. Now let's see what we have here. Oh, here's the camera, the back camera. Here's the front camera. Okay guys, I did order this separate for the front camera. They gave me this one, the one for the back camera, as a gift. So it doesn't come with the head unit. So I ordered this separate. They gave me this one as a gift. And here is the cable for the front and the back camera. Okay. So let's put this one aside because I ordered this separately. So let's put this aside. Now here are the stuff that came with this head unit. Here are the accessories that came with this head unit. This is the power cable. I think this one will go in here. We go in here. Yeah. Sorry. Since we go in here like this. Okay. While this one will go to the car. This one will go to the car. Okay. So guys, here are all the items that came with this head unit. So the name of this head unit is a Tesla Auto Carplay. So I guess this is the GPS. So here is I guess this one is the USB port. It's actually 3 USB ports. Okay, I'm sure one is for USB for Android, and one is for CarPlay, Apple CarPlay. So this one is the no, this is antenna. The antenna. So this one is the SIM card slot, 4G SIM card slot. Actually, you can make call with this unit. You insert your SIM card here. Okay. I think here this one is the wire that connect the unit and the car. Okay. So this one is the antenna. I guess this one is the antenna. Yes. This antenna. This one. I don't know, but I'll figure it out. So here are the stuff that came with it. Then this one is the microphone. Yeah, this is the microphone. So this one is the gift to remove the panels. So here is the head unit itself. It looks awesome, and the quality is a very good quality. You can tell the look of it. So it's very good quality. So here is the back. Here, all the wires go in here. It has how many connecting cables? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 portholes. So I'll be installing this probably on my own, or if I can't do it on my own, I will look for someone that can help me to install it. But I'm going to take you through the process of installation from the beginning to the end. So head unit is actually for Hyundai Elantra 2014 up to 2016 model. So without further delay, go into the car and see how it's going to look like after the installation. So guys, yeah, I am inside the car. So I'll be replacing this. I will be replacing the factory fitted radio with Tesla Auto Carplay. So I can't wait to install it. As you can see, it will look beautiful here. Oh my god, I can't wait to install it. So I ordered this from AliExpress. It took about maybe 10 days to get to South Africa here. So yeah, so I'll be making a video on how to install this. As I said earlier on, I'll be doing it on my own. But if I can't do it, if I'm unable to do it on my own, I'll have to take it to an electrician to do it for me, because I want it to be professional looking stuff. So I actually spent about I think it's about close to 300 or something dollars for this. So after the installation, we do a proper video or a comprehensive video about this wonderful car auto. So thank you guys. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for you to know, for you to see the outcome of it at the end of installation. Thanks and stay tuned. Bye.